Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you my room. It's been over a year since I got back in the Philippines. So far, I'm already happy with how my room looks like. I just want to repaint the room white maybe by December, since I'm kind of trying to manage how I spend over the last year, and also I'm trying to only buy the things that I really needed and the things that I would really use, and not just gather clutter like what happened to me for the last 5 years when I was still in Kuwait. I've already decluttered a lot from my things, which originally were from Kuwait, since I brought home 7 boxes of the things that I gathered for over 5 years. As the time goes by, I noticed that it just accumulated dust, and it's harder for me to manage or clean since it's a lot. I don't want to keep on cleaning the things that just accumulates dust and doesn't even get used. Okay, so let's move on to the initially what we bought in this room is this first one. This is the MALM dresser that I got. I got this from Home Source PH for around 17,000 pesos. Okay, then the next item that I purchased was this one. I got 3 of these. So this is a DEERMA mop. Next is this bed. This is just an airbed, and we've been using it for a year now. So far, it's really good to sleep at, and we're really comfortable. But maybe next year we're planning on buying a mattress. And then next is this. This is a 4-in-1 set of bed sheets that comes with the 2 pillowcases and a duvet cover, and also a fitted sheet. And I have here some Ikea curtains, sheer curtains, that I still have back when I was still in Kuwait. But if I'll find the link, I will be inserting it on the description box below. So if ever you want to buy something from this video, you can just click the link. This is an IKEA inspired adhesive blinds that you just have to secure at the top of your window, and it's like this. Also this, I recently purchased this AIRCON from Shopee around 12,000 pesos, including the shipping fee. And this is already a 1 HP non-inverter grade AIRCON, and we've been using it for almost a week now, so we're not sure yet on the electric bill next month. And here I just have some macrame and photos plants. My ring light whenever I need to film and it's already dark, but usually I don't use this since I film my looks during the day, and we have a very nice lighting here in our room since there's 2 windows that gets enough natural lighting, and it's way better for the pictures or videos. I have a bug zapper here, and just have to turn it on like this. I also like these if you like candles. I also got this. Then this is a DIY candle that I made, the salt lamp that I've had since I was still in Kuwait. I just leave it on throughout the day, since if it's humid, it melts down. So I try to turn it on, because whenever it's on, it doesn't melt down. Here are some Ikea organizers that I got way back then. This fur, I got it from my dad. Also, this planner that I got last year that I haven't even used, so that's why I'm using it now. My JBL speakers that I've had for a really long time, and it's really durable, and the sound is really good. And I also got some photo tiles installed there. I installed it myself since that's one of the items that we sell in our small business. This ring light was given to me by my friend Michelle Ruiz. She also has a YouTube channel. Foxy. That's automatic. So this is also an item from IKEA. This should be a mosquito net. And here are the clothes that I've hung here. Most of my sweaters and my used to be uniforms, which I'm planning to declutter, and sell it on my Instagram account. And I'm planning to upload soon, so if ever you're interested in checking out the items, feel free to browse or check it here. I'll be leaving a picture in here. And then I just have my bags here that were given to me by my cousin. Then this one is Michael Kors Coach, another Michael Kors that my aunt gave me, my aunt Noemi. And this was given to my baby by my cousin, RETIN A. Then here I just have my brushes that I store here, since these are my clean brushes, and my dirty brushes I just keep it there on top of the table. And here are some of my wigs, and I just have a CZ plant here, a what do you call it? This is a rubber tree that we got a stem, but eventually it grew out some roots, and I decided to put it here inside my room since I really like how aesthetic looking it is. And those are some of my accessories that I got from back when I was still in Kuwait. Some of the skincare items that I had from when I was still in Kuwait, whenever I keep on buying items on sale. But these CeraVe products that I really love, these were given to me by my aunt Noemi, since she knows that I really love CeraVe products. But here in the Philippines, it's really expensive. See, I still have a lot of stock here. Then this I got from a boxy charm. Fresh products my sister gave me. I still have here my tea tree mask. I also have a review of this on my channel, and if you want to see that, feel free to link. I'll put the link on the description box down below. I still have some souffle products. This is a really good brand. They're cruelty free, and it's quite expensive, but it's eco-friendly and also cruelty free, so it's really good for that. For Mother Earth, I still have a lot of masks here from the Body Shop that if you buy here, it costs too much. So there, I still have skincare good for more years to come. And the next is, here I have some vitamins, some light bulbs. See, this I got from Kuwait. Still I haven't used it. What's this? An iron. This storage, acrylic storage, are from Ikea as well. And what else? I have hair products there, a lot of hair products. And this one, I really love this. These are reusable tissue. So instead of buying tissue for the last year, I haven't bought any tissue. So I just use these reusable ones instead, and then I just wash them like once a week. But these are new ones, since if it's not worn out yet, I still keep on using it, and if it gets worn out, I use it as my cotton pads. And here on this side, these are Ikea LENNART drawers. I have two. Okay, so here I have makeup palettes. Then the first drawer, I have eye products, lip products. Here are my face products, primer, foundations. There. Then commonly what's on top, those are the items or products that I would normally use, so I keep it there. This LED mirror that was given to me by my friend Mrs. Risk, but I'll try to find a similar item like this in Shopee, and I'll link it down below. So when you turn it on, you can either use battery or a micro USB cord, and then it just lights up. But I don't normally use it since I have a lot of natural lighting here. And she also gave this to me, the vanity light bulbs that really come in handy, since sometimes at night I do makeup looks. So I just have here this table that I got from Shopee. If I were to rate this, I'll give it a 9 out of 10 since it's a bit wobbly, but it's usable. Instead of buying the 5,000 pesos ones, I just stick to this and then you can just wall mount it. All product links will be listed down below. And then I have here this trash can from LOCAUPIN. It also comes with a gray one here on top so that maybe you can segregate the reusable and the biodegradable ones, the recyclable and then the biodegradable ones. And then here on top, I just have here my skincare products that I use. I don't use everything at once. It depends. Then this first drawer is the drawer that where I keep all the items that for example, I did my makeup and then I don't have time to fix it. I just keep it here so that whenever I have or get the time, I'll just start from here and then the clutter won't be like all over the place. And then here I have some highlighters, some contour products, some face palettes. I'll also do a makeup collection video after this, so stay tuned for that one. And some skincare products, a lot of skincare products. And then this so this mirror I got it from Ace Hardware around 2,000 pesos only. Then here I got some Sabrina and I really don't know. I think this one's Sabrina and the other one is, I'm not sure. On this side of the window, I just have two photos plants. That the other one is a silver satin photos and the other one is a green photos, the usual photos. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell beside it for more videos. See you on my next one. Bye! To keep mosquitoes away. Ay, gago. Ba?